Did you know that gorillas communicate using vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions just like us humans? They can be right or left-handed and have unique fingerprints. These expert swimmers walk on their knuckles, using their arms as an additional leg. Gorillas can even recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare ability in the animal kingdom. With matriarchal groups led by dominant males, they live up to 60 years in the wild. In captivity, they can learn sign language and use hundreds of signs. Their gentle mode of interaction, with relaxed postures and soft eyes, promotes social harmony. Fascinating, right?